So update on the Mercedes Sprinter van, Winnebago RV here. As you'd seen in our previous video, this was a pretty hard swipe on the front end, damaged both the frame rails, swatted them over. Per Mercedes Benz, what we had to do is go in and replace these rails. We had to pull the interior, the dash, went to the dealership to have the motor, transmission, all that removed. And so if you look closely, you can see how far the frame rails run back underneath there. These bad boys are probably about 8 feet in length. And currently our technician has them mocked up, getting it squared up to meet factory specifications. Once he gets done, he'll spend probably a day and a half to 2 days just welding this alone. The closest we can get to replicating the factory welds, many of them will have to be plug welds, but they're very specific from Mercedes on what those will require, the size and the diameter. So stay tuned to see where we go next on this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.